All right, y'all, I'm about to do my first tune-up.
I like your braids too.
Thank you.
Yeah.
So this is the spark plug.
Yeah.
When I put it in, I'm gonna put it in which way? Down this way or this way?
Yeah,
This way.
that way.
Okay. All right, so I'm taking off the hood. I'm just gonna pop this off.
Uh-huh.
All right. And then I'm gonna take this off. Right?
Over.
Like this.
Yeah. Just keep turning.
All right, cool. It's kind of warm.
Yep.
All right. So now I'm taking this out right here, right?
You gotta take all the 3 out.
All three. This is what I need this for, right?
Yes,
So this is what, 10 centimeter, millimeter?
ratchet. Socket and then the ratchet. Socket.
Put that over to the side, all right? So this is the second one, right?
There you go.
I'm going to the right, left?
No, you turn off. Switch it.
Ah, got it. All right, so like that, right?
Uh-huh.
All right, cool. Now I'll just pull this up, right? Woo,
That's hot?
kind of hot. All right, so I'm taking this all the way up.
Yep.
What do you call this?
That's the ignition coil.
The machine coil. Ignition.
No. Yeah.
Ignition coil. I'm
Uh-huh.
pulling this red thing back, right? This
Yeah.
button?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Ah,
Ah.
there we go.
Uh-huh.
What am I doing with this?
Just put it to the side.
All right, look at that.
Easy, right?
I'm like a pro.
Nice.
All right, see? Can you hold that for me, please?
Of course.
Let's see. So usually, are you supposed to just like wait until this is, maybe you want to come on that side? Until this like cools down? Huh?
You can do that too if you want to, you know, just not to get burned.
All right, we don't have enough time right now. Okay, I got that. Now I'm gonna pull it up, right?
Yep.
All right. Number 2. All right.
I'm enjoying
Here's my
this.
tools.
Oh,
Okay.
sorry.
You enjoying this too?
Uh-huh.
I'm enjoying this too. I can actually see myself doing this. You know, my grandfather used to work on cars.
You never got to learn nothing?
No, but I would bandage his hands up.
Ah.
Yeah. Alright, that should be good enough, right?
Yep.
Alright, cool. Faster, look. Alright. So now, I have a spark plug wrench. Just gonna take it,
Uh-huh.
put it on down there, and then twist it to the right.
Yep.
This, by the way, is how you do a tune-up for a 2015 Jeep Cherokee. Sport. All right. Ladies, we could do it. Right? If you ain't got a handy man, you could be handy for yourself. All right. So now I have the ignition coil. You good?
I'm fine. Yeah.
Alright, one more. Got that? Alright. I'm getting excited now, wait. I'm almost done. Right. Got that one. One more down. Oh, shit. Alright, what's going on with this one? What? Okay. I like this. I don't know about this one. Alright, I just did my own tune-up. You crank it up like that. This is go.
It's good to go.
All right.
Yep.
Does it sound weird or sound
No,
right?
it's good.
All right, cool. All right. Is that it?
Uh-huh.
I'm done.
Mm-hmm.